Hello, hello. Can you say in English? I am very weak in Hindi, so if you say in English, it will be helpful. In this channel, I discuss about new physics project. If you want to know about Faraday law, you can search on GPT or Gemini. Here, this channel, I discuss about new physics, my theories. I am an independent researcher. I am working on a new physics project. If you want to know more about my work, you can see the description of this video. I am, according to my research, there are serious issues with current theories like the special and general relativity. In fact, all phenomena which we currently study and explore through the lens of special general relativity can be reinterpreted through a new framework, that is new physics project. So if you are interested to know more about my work, you can have given a brief description about my work in the description box. You can check that. And also I have published many videos. Now my books are coming for digital books are will be available soon in coming 3 4 days in different languages, Hindi, English, and many important languages, German, French, like that. So that book will be available for downloads from you can find the books from the YouTube by this channel. So thank you for your interest. Good, thank you. Hello, Rishabh Shukla. Uh, According to my studies, there are serious issues with the current understanding of the universe. The modern theories like special relativity, general relativity, these are built on, based on my research, wrong concepts. For example, according to my research, the speed of light is not a universal constant. Light speed varies across the universe, and also space is filled with a form of substance created by mass defects throughout the universe. Every mass defect creates a super thin form of matter, and since mass defect is a universal phenomenon, every star, every supernova explosion, black hole merge, neutron collisions, these all creates mass defect on large scale. So the entire universe is filled with this substance. In fact, there is empty space does not exist. The vacuum, absolute vacuum, or that vacuum does not exist. Space is filled with this substance, which explains all phenomena which we currently study and explore through the lens of special and general relativity. This can be substantiated, that is, mass defect creates a form of substance. This theory can be validated, experimentally validated through the study of spent nuclear fuel. When you see spent nuclear fuel pellets, there are many unexplained phenomena or unexplained changes associated with spent nuclear fuel. If you ask Gemini or GPT that what are the anomalies in the spent nuclear fuel, you can find many many structural and morphological changes in the spent nuclear fuel. They remain unexplained through the conventional framework. However, through this new framework, that is mass defect creates a space filling substance, this new framework provides a better explanation for all the changes that happens to spent nuclear fuel. There are many videos I publish in my channel, so if you are interested, you can check the channel. And also, soon I am publishing my books in digital format, including Hindi, English, French, German, Spanish, all these languages. I am going to publish digital books, so that book will be available for purchase from this channel. So that will come soon in for 5 days. My books will be available in this channel, so you can purchase that book in your regional languages. So that will be helpful to understand about my work. I am preparing my research article for peer review. Thank you for your question. Anyway, future, I sincerely think that with the emergence of artificial intelligence, it will be very helpful for researchers to fine tune or brainstorm or validate their concepts. Is applicable to me also. I am now I can create simulations, and I can create modeling. It is much easier than before. So I sincerely hope that coming years we will witness a major revolutions in physics, in especially in this area of. So that it will be very exciting to see the yeah. Thank you very much for your question. Slightly sleepy. Hello, I can't read your name. What is New Physics Project? I have given a short description of what is New Physics Project in the description of this video live streaming. New Physics Project, according to my studies, there are serious issues with our current understanding of the mass, energy, light, uh, and many related concepts. So this study suggests that the there are serious issues with the special and general relativity. In fact, new study says that uh, space is not an empty formation. Space is filled with some type of matter created by mass defects throughout the universe. In fact, there is no empty space exist in the universe. Uh, Space is indeed filled with a form of substance or a kind of matter produced by mass defects throughout the universe. The mass defect releases energy because of a change in the state of matter. This is not a old either concept. This a new way of thinking that this I like to call modern either. You can, if you would like to call, you can call like modern either, not ancient either theory. It is a modern. It's a either is a new term. In fact, anyway, a space filling substance indeed exists. There are different ways to detect it, and this space filling substance explains all the phenomena which we currently study and explore through the lens of special and general relativity. For example, starlight bending, gravitational lensing, gravitational time dilation, orbital anomaly of Mercury's orbit, and Lorentz transformation effects such as length compression, increasing mass of a moving body, time dilation due to speed. All these phenomena can be explained through this new framework. The concept that a mass defect creates a space-filling substance can be experimentally validated through the study of spent nuclear fuel. So if you are interested, you can go to the description of this video streaming, and there you will get a better understanding of what I am talking about. And there are, I have provided links to my videos which explains how spent nuclear fuel helps to validate this new theory. Currently, I am preparing my research article for peer review, and thank you for your interest and support. Yes, that is a good question. Yes, I am aware of that. Ancient Indians and ancient Greek, Aristotle, and ancient Indians believed in such space filling either, but some similarities and some dissimilarities are there. According to this research, this we can call either no issue with that. So this is produced by mass defects. Whenever a mass defect happens, the missing mass, in fact, Einstein's idea that mass and energy are interchangeable concept is a wrong idea. In fact, the release of energy with a mass defect is not because of the conversion of mass into energy, instead caused by a change in the state of matter, that is baryonic matter, nuclear density baryonic matter. When there is a mass defect happens, this baryonic matter becomes a non-baryonic form, means a very extremely thin form of substance. So since mass defect is a universal phenomenon, it happens throughout the universe, the entire universe is filled with this substance, is continuously produced by throughout the universe. So this, as a form of matter, it will be gravitationally attracted to massive bodies, and so every massive body maintains a density, a dense region of this substance. So when for example, sun has a dense region around it. So when a beam of light passes through this close to the sun, the light will get refracted and bent. So that can explain starlight bending, gravitational tensing, etc. So this framework can explain all phenomena which we currently study and explore through the lens of special and general relativity, Lorentz transformation effects such as length contraction. And if you are interested, I have given link in the description. Mm. So now in coming days I am going to publish my books in digital PDF book format, that in Hindi, in different languages my books are coming, so you can purchase if you are interested. You can purchase in local languages. So it costs under $1 for one book. So it will be very you can purchase my book with infographics. So it will be good to refer my work, and I'm preparing my for peer review for my work. Thank you for your question. Michelson Morley experiment, in fact, that kind of experiment cannot detect this space swelling substance, because this space swelling substance is a form of matter, so it is gravitationally attracted to massive bodies. So Earth, for example, Earth has a dense region of around it. So when Earth moves, this region also moves with Earth. So it creates a this dense region co-moves with the Earth. So it creates a local region. So if you do an experiment in this local region, you cannot find any relative motion between any different directions. So that is the reason for the Michelson, the failure of the Michelson-Morley experiment. But there are other ways to detect the existence. For example, recently I published a book about the test for general relativity. If you like, I will share the link. Recently I published a book which is available now in Amazon. The book is available in Kindle format and print format. So that I'll, if you like, you can. This book is my latest book, which is it's a test for general relativity. It's a beautiful experiment. It can this experiment has only two outcome or two possible outcome. One is one outcome, it will support general relativity. It will reinforce the general relativity. If the outcome is the second, then it will completely rule out or invalidate general relativity. It's a falsifiable test of general relativity, the co-located clock experiment. That is the title of this book. So that will be an interesting read if you like. It's available in Kindle format and print format. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? In this channel, I discuss about physics. That is, uh, I am from India. Where are you from? Uh, I am not a religious person. I don't believe in any religion. I am an explorer, and I am uh, trying to find truth. Okay, I am from Bangalore. I am also a Malayali. You are from Wayanad. Okay, I am also a Malayali. Bangalore near Madiwala. You are living in Wayanad. Hello, hello. Okay, okay, okay. I don't know that I never വയനാട് എനിക്ക് അത്ര പരിചയമില്ല. Okay. Nice to meet you. Hello, hello, hello. Based on my understanding, my research, there is no empty space exist. Space is filled with a form of substance or a medium created by mass defects throughout the universe. So, gravity is not a curved space-time. According to general relativity, gravity is the curvature in space-time by mass and energy. But that idea itself is not correct. Thank you for the good words, Praveen. General relativity is not, according to my research, gravity is an attractive force, just like how as Einstein, Newton's idea, gravity is purely an attractive force. It is not a curvature in space-time. That is thank you, Rishabh Shukla. Thank you for your good words. Hello, hello, hello. General relativity, and also, as I said before, space is filled with a form of substance created by mass defects throughout the universe. So, as I said, an empty space does not exist. As a form of matter, this matter will be gravitationally attracted to massive body. So every massive body maintains a density gradient around it. So the impact is speed of light is not a universal constant. Speed of light varies across the universe. Light speed is not a constant. And also, mass equivalence is mass and energy are entirely two different entities. Mass defect releases energy not because of the conversion of mass into energy. So why I am telling all this? Because the fundamental ideas behind the relativity, special and general relativity, are, I'm sorry to say, it's wrong. The relativity is built on a false misconceptions. So once you realize that they are irrelevant, we have to restart our research. You have to go back to some 120 years. But I appreciate Einstein for one thing, that a small amount of mass or matter can liberate a huge amount of energy. That is absolutely correct. E equals mc square. That is that in that sense that can be take consideration, but relativistic theory is not correct. All Lorentz transformation effects all general relativity effects such as gravitational lensing, time dilation, gravitational time dilation, Mercury's orbit, gravitational redshift, blue shift, sharp ray effect, blue gravity probe experiment, all these phenomena, all these effects can be reinterpreted in a better way through this new framework. And also, as I said, the mass effect creates a space filling substance can be experimentally proved can be experimentally proved. So when you closely observe spent nuclear fuel, I hope you know uh, uh, the mass and mass effect releases energy not because of the conversion of mass into energy. In fact, it is caused by a change in the state of matter. Just like a chemical explosion, nuclear energy also released because of a conversion of that is baryonic matter, nuclear density matter. When there is a mass effect happens to a nuclear density matter, it explodes. It explosively transforms into a this super thin form of matter. So this basically is a conversion of the change in the state of matter. So this can be experimentally validated through the micro analysis of spent nuclear fuel. So that I recently participated in a conference in New Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru Jain University. This was my work. Now I am preparing my research article for peer review. So Einstein's ideas are not correct. So we need to go back to we need to start from the scratch. In fact, so many current theories may need thorough uh, rewrite. Yes, Tesla, in fact, is not supportive to Einstein's concepts, but he didn't get the recognition what he deserved. So that is a sad part of the history. But anyway, the space filling substance indeed exists. That can be experimentally proved. I recently published a book mm, on a test. This book, I'll share the book here. So this book is a test for general relativity. So this can it has only two output, two outcome. One is it will support relativity, general relativity, or it will invalidate general relativity. So it's a test. If you are interested, you can check the description itself. In the description itself, you will get a understanding of what I am discussing in this book. Soon my books or more books will be coming online, digital book. You can download my books from this channel. I'm going to publish my books here, short, small books, and which will give a deeper insight into my theories. And anyway, thank you very much for your interest in this subject, and thank you very much. Heavy mosquito, heavy mosquito here. speed of light is not a universal constant. Speed of light varies across the universe because of the presence of space-filling substance, uh, starlight bending, gravitational lensing. These are simply the refraction of light by the dense region surrounding massive bodies. So, as I said, space is not empty formation. Space is filled with a form of substance created by mass defects throughout the universe. So, as a form of matter, it will be gravitationally attracted to massive bodies. So, every massive body maintains a density gradient around it. So, when a beam of light passes through this region, light will get slow down and refract. So, now consider a beam of light traveling from one edge of a galaxy, for example, our Milky Way galaxy, one edge of the galaxy to the opposite edge. So, see, consider this is our galaxy, Milky Way galaxy. So, our Milky Way galaxy consists of 200 to 400 billion stars. Each star has their own planets, planetary system, and a moon, everything. So it has 200 to 400 billion stars here. Now think about a beam of light traveling from one edge of a galaxy to the opposite edge. So each time when the light approaches a massive body, a star or a planet, its speed will decrease because of the dense region surrounding it. So how many times it interacts or pass through a massive body, that many times its speed will reduce, it will refract. So once it comes out, if you draw the path of the light, it will be like a curved, very irregular path. So the speed of light will change multiple times, its path will change multiple times. So now consider about a cluster of galaxies. So many galaxies are there. So many galaxies. So light start from a point A to point B, billions of light years. So this will go in a very irregular path in different speed, different trajectory. So it says that the speed of light is not a universal constant. If you take a local region, for example, our very close region to Earth, or a local region, it will mostly it will be almost be traveling in a same speed. But if you take a light years, millions of light years or billions of light years, it's traveling. It will be traveling at a different speed varies across the universe. Now, think like this: in our solar system, within our solar system, light will be traveling at its maximum speed at the farthest region of the solar system, because the near the sun, the density will be greater, and so light will be traveling at a lower speed in that region. So as the distance increases from the sun, the density will decrease, so light speed will increase. So now consider a galaxy. Light will be traveling at its maximum speed within the galaxy in the outer farthest edge of the galaxy. So because there will be the density will be a minimum. So now consider two galaxies. If you consider two galaxies, light will be traveling at its maximum speed in the median region between these two galaxies. So this says that the speed of light is not a universal constant. This challenges Einstein's general relativistic concepts. Thank you for your question. Anyway, thank you very much. That is the evidence is starlight bending itself. Starlight bending, gravitational lensing. These are simply that's what I proposed an experiment a falsifiable test or general relativity, this experiment can tell in a high level of accuracy that whether the time dilation happens because of the curved space-time or this density gradient. That is the experiment, a falsifiable test or general relativity. This test clearly shows, it will clearly show whether starlight gravitational time dilation due to curved space-time or the density gradient. That is a test for this. So this test can clearly prove this concept. Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much. Why you are asking that? Where are you from? Okay, okay, great. I am 52 years old. My books will be available in different languages. You can purchase my book in Hindi also, and Hindi, English, and major international languages. My books will be available in coming 2-3 days. Yeah. That you can come back to this channel and you can purchase from here only. This channel, I'll give links from this. You can come back in the same channel and you will find the book link, so you can purchase a book if you are interested. Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much. Shimla is very cold place, no? What is the temperature there? Good night. What is the temperature, current temperature there? This is Bangalore. Summer started here. Okay. Right. Thank you very much. Here I think some 19, some 21 degree, I think. Bye. Okay. See you. So see you later. Thank you very much. Bye. heavy mosquito here.